Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. Today, I'm going to show you how to create clear French nails that look just like glass, quickly and easily. This glass French style has see-through tips that give a fresh, elegant vibe. It might look difficult, but with nail tips, it's actually super easy and fast to achieve. I'll walk you through every step, so even beginners can follow along with confidence. Okay, let's get started. We'll start right after doing basic nail prep, cuticle care, sanding, and removing oils. This method is perfect if you want to create glass French nails the easy way. All you have to do is apply a color gel to your natural nails, and then press on clear tips. That's it. Now you've got cool, clear nail tips with a classy finish. First, shape the tips of your natural nails into a smooth curve. If you want a shorter final look, it's best to trim your nails now before moving on. Once the shape looks good, apply your base coat and cure it under a lamp. Now it's time for your favorite color gel. I'm using a pink-toned magnetic gel for this look. After applying one thin layer, cure it under the lamp. Then, go in with a second, thicker layer. For magnetic gels, apply generously on the second coat and use your magnet to create a design. Today, I'm pulling the shimmer toward one side of the nail for a soft, elegant look. If you want more detail on how to use magnetic gel, I have a separate video all about it. Feel free to check that out. Once you're happy with your design, cure it completely. Now for the most important part of this glass French method. We'll use special clear nail tips made for extensions. These tips already have a pre-sanded surface, so they grip much better than the smooth kind and are less likely to pop off. Start by choosing tips that match the width of your nail. They should fully cover both sides. If the cuticle edge doesn't fit perfectly, file it down to match your nail shape. Next, take a bit of extension gel. This is a thick, putty-like gel made just for applying tips. Scoop a small amount onto the back of the tip, near the cuticle area. Now line up the tip with the base of your nail and gently press it down toward the free edge. Be careful not to trap any air bubbles. If you do, remove the tip, fix it, and reapply. Also, make sure the gel spreads all the way to the tip. If there's any missing gel, it might lift later. If any gel squeezes out, clean it up with a wooden stick before curing. Don't forget to check the underside for extra gel too. This time, I wanted longer nails, so I placed the tip a little above the natural cuticle instead of right at the base. That's a great trick if you want to adjust the final length. Now, cure the nail under a lamp. If you left a gap at the base like I did, you'll want to file the ridge smooth before moving on. Then, file the nail tips into your preferred shape. You could stop here and seal everything with top coat, but I'm going to add a little extra art. Using a fine liner brush and some icing gel. Draw a thin line where the glass tip meets the base color. Cure it under the lamp. Now rub some gold chrome powder onto that line. Brush off the excess. And you've got a beautiful gold accent. To finish everything off, apply a non-wipe top coat. Make sure to cover not only the surface, but also the underside of the clear tip. Once that's fully applied, cure one last time. And that's it. You now have stunning glass French nails with a beautiful see-through tip. It looks fancy, but it was actually super fast and simple. So what did you think of this quick and easy glass French nail method using tips? Just apply color gel, press on a clear extension tip, and you're done. It's super simple, but the results look totally salon quality. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.